Uric acid is not a disease. It is just toxins that increases in the blood due to bad eating habits, which are found in everyone's body. Uric acid in the body can be controlled by controlling the purine diet. In today's video, I will give you information about such 4 foods with the help of which you can reduce the level of uric acid to great extent. So let's start, friends. I am Dr. Pathan. You are very welcome to my channel. Increase in uric acid is a problem for which diet and bad lifestyle are responsible. Consuming purine-rich foods in the diet increases the level of uric acid in the blood. Uric acid is found in everyone's body for which purine diet is responsible. Consuming purine-rich foods in a diet such as red meat, organs meat like liver and kidney of animals, alcohol, beer, sweet drinks, candy, butter, cream, ice cream and coconut oil in excess increases the level of uric acid in the body. Increase in the level of uric acid in the body increases pain and swelling in the joints of hands and feet. If the level of uric acid is not controlled for a long time, then the risk of gout disease is increased. Gout is a painful form of arthritis which causes a stinging pain in the joints. If uric acid increases too much in the body, it can make the blood and urine acidic. So it is very important to control it. Let me tell you again that uric acid is not a disease. It is just a toxin that increases in the blood due to bad eating habits, which is found in everyone's body. The kidney flushes these toxins out of the body easily. When the purine diet is consumed in the excess, the amount of these toxins in the blood starts increasing, the level of uric acid starts increases. If the level of uric acid in the blood exceeds 7 mg per dl, then the problem starts increasing. Now let's talk about those 4 foods with the help of which you can reduce the level of uric acid to the great extent. People whose uric acid level is high should consume 4 to 5 liters of water throughout the day. By consuming more water, the level of uric acid becomes normal. The uric acid present in the blood gets out of the body through urine and also provides relief from the joint pain. First is eat foods rich in vitamin C. To control vitamin C, consume foods rich in vitamin C in the diet. According to many previous researches, there is a positive relation between the intake of vitamin C and the level of uric acid in the blood. According to research, vitamin C can prevent or reduce gout attack and can also eliminate toxins from the body. Eat some foods rich in vitamin C such as lemon and orange. Eating 500 mg of vitamin C rich foods daily can control the uric acid deposited in the blood. Second is include fiber in the diet. High fiber diet can also reduce the level of uric acid in the blood. Consuming of fiber rich foods keeps digestion healthy and removes uric acid from the blood. You can consume whole grains, fruits and vegetables in fiber rich foods. Third is use lemon water. According to 2015 research, people who have high uric acid level can control uric acid and also get relief from arthritis pain by squeezing 2 fresh lemons in 2 liters of water daily. Fourth is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help make the body alkaline and promote digestion, which potentially helps excrete uric acid. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. You can add honey to improve the taste. It is beneficial to drink it once or twice a day before meal. For your better health, you can use these foods in your daily diet. Hope you liked this video. See you in my next video. Till then, thanks.